This is my honest review of the Philips D2S 85122C1 standard xenon HID headlight bulb. And I'm going to install this to replace the headlight on my Honda Odyssey 2011 Touring. Why? Because as you can see, the right side is already on a burnt color, the other white is still white, so it's still good. And after a few seconds of turning it on, this headlight turns off. There's just quite a few things that we need to remove on top so that we can reach the bulb in order to replace it. I wouldn't say that the installation is easy, but I wouldn't also say that it's hard. Another thing is that once you realize how much you have to spend just for someone to install this for you, you will realize that all this is worth it. Believe me, I already asked around. So the first thing that we have to remove once everything is out of the way is the rubber cap that covers the bulb, and this is what it is. And the next step would be to disconnect a wire. You can see that wire right there. All you need to do is disconnect that, which is quite easy. Once you got that disconnected, just twist that metal right there and pull it out. And then the next step would be to spread that clip that locks the bulb. Just spread that clip using your fingers, then pull it out like what I did in here. And now you can see that the bulb is free and it's ready to be replaced. Here's the old bulb, and now it's time to install the new HID bulb. And all you have to do is just reverse the step. Put the bulb in, insert the clip, put in the servo metal that covers everything, and then install the wire. There's another rubber cover in here that I was not able to show on the video. And now to test it out, there it is. And now both headlights are of the same color. So guys, this is the Philips 85122C1 D2S standard xenon HID headlight bulb. Thanks for watching.